In this video, I'll show you the right way to store this sensitive data in React Native application. And this is a must for the beginners and also the professionals who are creating the production ready application. Don't think this is a basic tutorial. This is a must for building your React Native Expo app. And I promise by the end of this video, I'll be clearly guiding you how to store your credentials or important API calls or tokens in a very secure way that no one can break them. We will see how secure storage works on Android and iOS device as well in a very secure way. I'll be quickly showing you how to store, retrieve and delete these authentication tokens securely as well. So let's get started with this particular video now. So here I'll be quickly trying to create a new project like Expo SecureStore, and I'll be adding the required plugin as well in this particular project. So here's the page for the Expo SecureStore here, and here you can get the installation command. I've just copied it and quickly I'll try to show you what exactly it does. So it will store the values in the shared preference, but here those are encrypted, and here you can see for Android system this is. So with the help of the Keystore, the things are getting encrypted like cryptographic keys in a container to make them more difficult to extract from the device. So it is not possible. So it's almost impossible to get the keys once they are stored. We can only retrieve and validate them. I'll be showing you how we'll be validating them as well. And on the iOS, you have got an add-on advantage, like due to the underlying nature of iOS keychain. Once the application is installed and after the use it is uninstalled, and later if you try to install also, the data will persist. So this is again the feature that is coming from iOS. We are not doing anything additionally over here, and this option is not available on Android, so the data will not be preserved upon the app uninstallation. So here this is a basic thing which I want you people to know before getting started with this particular installation here. So let's copy this, and our project folder is now created. Let's move to that particular folder and try installing this dependency, and now try to install this particular dependency, Expo SecureStore. Yes, we have now added this as well. So let's go to the app.js file, and I'll be quickly adding the code and also trying to explain you line by line what I did here. So here I have added the two required imports. The first one is the basic components that we require from the React Native, and the second one is the dependency just we have added, right, SecureStore. So I have added both the imports, and now let's try creating our default function and providing the further functionality. And now I'll be quickly adding the three functions here, like saving the token, retrieving the token, and also the deleting of this particular token. So these three functions are asynchronous functions. So quickly I'll try to add them now. So yes, I have added the three required functions, and also if you see, these are simple and straightforward. There is no much complicated coding involved here. Just we are trying to store the token here and trying to provide an alert for the user that the token is saved securely. And the next one is we are trying to fetch the token based on the key we have provided earlier. If there is no token, we are trying to alert the user like no token found with this particular key provided. And the third one is the deleting of the token which we have stored earlier. And again the same alert we are providing once the token is deleted. So the next step is we are trying to provide a view and the style sheet, and this is again a basic thing. Just for the view purpose I am designing these things now. And now that we have added the style sheet and also the three buttons onto the view, Let's try to run this particular code quickly and try to test it. So now let us try to run this particular code npx expo start, and let us try to select the iOS simulator here. And now that the application is now installed on our simulator, we have got the three buttons. Now I click on the save token, token is saved, get token. Here you can see we have got the token which we have stored now. So the token is clearly visible on your alert box here, and as this is a tutorial, I'm just trying to print the token on the alert box. But in real time, you make use of this particular token and validate whether the user is logged in or not. And finally, we'll try to, okay, I have not provided the name delete token here on the button. Okay, let me try to refresh it. Get token, yes, we have got. Let me delete it. Okay, so now the no token form. So this is how we implement on iOS. Let me try to quickly test on Android as well. Android emulator is also up and running. Let me try to run the same code on the Android emulator as. So I'll select A here, and that will install on my Android emulator, and just will quickly test it whether this is working the same way like it was on iOS. And again, we got the same three buttons here. Let me try to save the token saved, get the token, and also delete the token. Let me try to get the token again. Yes, no token, so it's deleted. So on both the platforms this works seamlessly, and I suggest you to implement this particular secure storage way on your application as well. And for every secure thing which you want to store on your application, right, this is the best thing to do. So if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on React Native.